There are a lot of different trials and tribulations. And most of these trials and tribulations are usually going to involve another person. Beyond this, there's usually a miscommunication, a conflict, or some kind of confrontation involved. So it makes it really hard for you to how you feel the other person. So when I'm helping you, part one, making a difference in the lives of those you love, live with, and lead, by Dr. Larry Little, is going to use some skills and strategies to help you deal with complications and engagements way more effectively. This is about personality, traits, attributes, characteristics. It's for people that want to self-growth, to develop their leadership, so you want to make a connection with the relationship. So, book is really about being at the forefront of your community, whether that's in business, career, or at home with family. Very useful in various situations. The book is very good. Hopefully transitions to next chapter to next chapter. It starts off with a brief self-assessment exam. What type of person you are, what characteristics that you have. To who do you get along with and who you don't get along with. So, if you want to work in, or you're just trying to communication, build better relationships, find out what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, develop on it. And this is something that you should, this is something you should take your time out to read. As I said, it's a quick, easy read, and goes through everything that you need to know to build stronger relationships, the organization, regardless of what it is. Major parts are for the animals. Each animal has different characteristics and traits representing different types of person. Animal, lion, turtle, monkey. I put snake on it, but there really isn't no snake. But in life, if you want to come across some snakes, I wish they would have snakes. Some people love the drama and want to know how to avoid it. It's all about reflection, foresight, growth planning. But with the back to the animals, classifications of the animals, depending on what type of animal you are, let you know what the strengths and weaknesses of that person is. One animal that you are, you're a combination of all four animals. Your book just goes in on each animal and how to approach them, what's important to them, what's the best way to reach them. So it's really good that animals more organized and this line's more bossy, a little more fire and passion, and get those wiser, more cautious what you get along with everybody. And stuff evaluation survey, and it tells you how many points you are one, with other, and then you are part of all four of the categories. So it was process very simple way to find out another portion of yourself, and a lot of these other assessments out there. This one is a good point, and it resonates well with me. So I had to give it because I really enjoyed it. I really did. It had me thinking, situations, my home life, my life, my daughter. I can't do my money, I need a better relationship. Who are you? It's smarter, faster, and better. I do that have to take it to another level. Was be light and go lucky and describing stuff with more animals. Sometimes you really have to get into the crevices and cracks of certain things to really find out what's going on and how to approach specific situations better than all your competition. And artifacts are better things about being productive. To understanding what situations are. What type of person is going to want to read this book? Somebody that's very motivated, that's tired of the situation, and wants to take the next step into really promoting themselves and excelling at whatever their goal and dreams and all. So if you look into really this is um last it was a way topic last book. The reason why this because I watching the Quentin Tarantino movie, it jumps from topic to character. Each chapter is something different. Involved and invested in one character, and it jumps to another story. You get involved with the entire character and their story and their trials and tribulations and how they're going to overcome it, and you jump into the next story. Going through 3 different stories before you forgot then you were there about the original story. That popped back up, like, oh yeah, I remember you. What happened to you? You're missing. And then you're listening to that, you're reading that story again. So I don't know if I'm a fan and I got mixed feelings about that. It kept me engaged, it kept me entertained. It kept me going from little things. I'm like, oh, what? I'm trying to make I'm totally somewhere else. Different country, different person, different type of job. That's good. That's also good because it's diverse. It gives you a lot of many examples. It gives you a lot of different scenarios from different positions of leadership in different companies and organizations and how they dealt with it. So that aspect is very I did enjoy that. Major parts of this is quick motivation. How to work with teams, how to focus, how to process. Innovative. At the very beginning, they talked about a man that suffered some type of and he affected him, lost all his motivation. And it seemed like the will to live would have to live as in to stop breathing and stop, living, but the will to live right the way life should be with fun things, outgoing, and passive. One story with focus. Another guy had cognitive time. In this situation about airplane, how when you're under stress, how you can't think about other solutions right in front of your face. Another topic about innovation and how the movie Frozen went through so many different acts and how they had to go back and change this and change that. Also, they talked about the bridge. CEO needed to get stuff and ship stuff across the bridge, and he didn't know how to do it. He was allowed to build a bridge. He was creative. That he had, help break the law, up in the law, and get the supplies across. It takes a lot of time. So, these are a lot of different things that you can be mindful in the world when you're looking for a book. You really want to grow as a person. My name is Antonio Bazans. Thank you for coming and listening to the slides, and I'll talk to you soon.